Digital key. Digital key provides various ways to unlock and power on the vehicle. For binding your vehicle, 800 NK+, open the Bluetooth and keep the CFMOTO RIDE operating. Bluetooth on the home page of the app will be conducted automatically when you are getting close to the vehicle. Method 1. The vehicle will be unlocked and powered on when you long press the unlock button on the app. Method 2. The vehicle will be unlocked and powered on when you directly press the power on button on the handlebar with the Bluetooth connection. Method 3. Turn on the automatic unlocking power on function in settings, and the vehicle will automatically unlock and power on without any operation when you are close to the vehicle within a range of 1.5 meters to 2 meters.